Innovator3D IC Integrator is a cockpit tool for 3D IC integration, offering a seamless and complete integration solution from package assembly to chiplet simulation. It enables users to perform early analysis such as signal integrity analysis or PDN analysis. Let's move forward to the demo. In my design, I have two chiplets with die-to-die interconnections and BGA at the bottom. Let us once again review the design breakdown from the display control window. Innovator3D IC enables users to export the whole design database to HyperLynx SI/PI. Here we can specify the name and location for the generated .cce file. Once it is exported successfully, a message is printed in the console window. Now invoke the HyperLynx SI/PI tool. From the main homepage, select Open Board to load the board sim file or .cce file. It might take a while depending on the design size. The tool automatically checks whether the nets are completely routed or not. Users have the option to connect nets with Manhattan routing by specifying the Manhattan multiplier here. You can also skip this step if your design is already completely routed. As you can see, the design is loaded correctly with die-to-die interconnects and all the nets. This is the same design that we see in i3D Integrator. In the next demo, we will select some nets from i3D Integrator and send them to HyperLynx LineSim to perform early SI analysis. To do this, from the sliding bar, choose Export and click the HyperLynx LineSim schematic button. The LineSim schematic VBS script is generated. Users can double-check it in the console window. From the HyperLynx main page, select the script file to run. Locate the directory where the LineSim script is saved, then click Open. It will load the LineSim schematic in HyperLynx. Users can assign models by net and specify either an IBISAMI model or a SPICE model. If you have an IBIS model from the Foundry, you can select it. In my demo, I am using a generic UCIe IBIS model. Once the model is selected, the schematic design looks much better. Then we can proceed to interactive simulation. From the sliding bar, choose Signal Integrity Arrow Waveform Analyzer and eye diagram. In this dialog, you need to configure the stimulus parameters and input the bit pattern values that you would like to investigate. Click Start Simulation. Once it is completed, the Solido Waveform Analyzer is used to visualize the eye diagram results based on the design voltage over time. This demo video demonstrates how the i3D Integrator, acting as a cockpit tool, easily integrates with HyperLynx and provides more capability for designers to perform package assembly with early chiplet analysis and verification.